Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix ACPI BIOS error, then watch this video. Now the only solution to such kind of error is to download the update for the BIOS of the particular model. So you can find the model number on the if you're using a laptop on the bottom of the laptop on the sticker, or you can find it if you're using a desktop on one of the accessories or on the body of the desktop. So I am using model E1504FA. So let's look for the BIOS update software. So I will search for. Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix ACPI BIOS error, then watch this video. Now the only thing I can do to solve this sort of error is to update the BIOS software from the in the computer, and to do that I need a USB drive, and I need to download the BIOS update software from the internet. And for that I will open the browser and I will enter BIOS update, or you can click download and enter the model number. Now you'll find the model number if you're using a laptop at the bottom of the laptop, or if you're using a desktop somewhere on the body or on any accessory. So I'm using a laptop E1504FA. I've looked for the number at the bottom of the laptop and I will click search. Then I will go to the site and I will click on BIOS and firmware, and then I will click on download BIOS update for Windows. Open the file, click on yes, and then click on OK and click on next and continue the steps, and this will update your BIOS and you should no longer face such an error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.